Hope you guys liked that video. That was just to illustrate how large the pants pockets are and what exactly I can fit in them. But I do want to go over a couple of things, three things I added to the pants to make them a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more usable. First off is, before I just used to put a belt on the pants to hold the pants, but I actually added D-rings. Well, two like sets of D-rings on each side. So that's two on the left side and two on the right side. And I can just pull these, there you go, pull these like fabric to make the waist a little bit smaller. And that's just so I don't have to use a belt with them. Nothing wrong with using a belt, it's fine. I still have the belt loops, but I just like the D-rings. It just looks a lot cooler as well too. You got these straps like hanging down the pants. Looks nice. I like it. I also added the same thing, like the D-rings, except on the back pockets. You can kind of see that here. The back pockets. Back pockets are very large. Obviously they're they're really large pockets, and initially I knew they'd kind of gape out, like kind of gape a little bit when I wore them. That was fine, that was okay, but I didn't realize how inconvenient that would be. Just the pockets like staying open the entire time was kind of, I don't know, it's just kind of like a weird look. Doesn't really look as good on body, and it's kind of inconvenient, like more inconvenient than I thought it would be. So I added D-rings on them, and pretty much they do the same thing as on the waist. They make the opening of the pocket smaller, so I can just pull, let's see, there you go, pull the D-ring, and the pocket opening is a lot smaller, so that when I wear the pants, they're not like staying open the entire time. And lastly, you might have already saw it, I added a smaller, this one right here, a smaller pocket. That's because the big pockets, although they're kind of cool, they look dope, I like the look of it, they're not very functional when you want to have like normal pocket things in it. Yeah, if you want to hold like a backpack or like a, I don't know, an ironing board, you can put them in these pockets. But if I want to hold like my wallet, some keys, a pen, change, like normal pocket stuff, when you put them in the really big pocket, they go all the way to the bottom, and it's like really hard to get them out again because they sit at like your calf, which is really inconvenient. So I added a smaller pocket that sits, it doesn't go as deep. It's actually just a little bit larger than like a normal sized back pocket. So I can put like normal stuff in here. When I wear the pants, I can put like my wallet, keys, phone, you know, whatever. I was gonna do the same thing for the front pockets, because the front pockets are, where are they? There we go. Because the front pockets, you can see them here, they're also pretty deep. But when I put normal stuff in the front pockets, they're not as deep as the back ones. So they're not as bad actually. So I ended up keeping them. No smaller pocket on the inside. I really like how the pants turned out, as I said before, and these adjustments I made just make them a little bit more comfortable and more functional to wear. Thank you guys again for watching. Let me know what you think about the adjustments I made for the pants. If you want to see the original video, I'll link it in the description or in the comments or something. And also I'll link the video about how to attach D-rings. Really easy, really simple. If there are any pants that are like kind of big in the waist, you can just add D-rings on the pants, a lot easier to do. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll probably make something on, maybe, I don't know actually, we'll see. I'm working on a denim jacket right now, so we'll do that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.